Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. In your app drawer, if you want all your application in a single row and you want to disable this switching from one page to another, then click on these three dots, select sort and then select alphabetical order. Now it will bring all your application in a single row and you can scroll like this. This phone comes with this modern control panel where you will get your control panel on the right side and your notification bar on your left side. You can also switch from notification bar to control center like this as well. But if you want to set the older one where you will get your notifications and control center together, then open your control center, click on this edit icon, select panel settings and then select together. Now it will bring your notification bar and your control center together. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your control center. There's a gesture for this. When you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down from the blank area, then it will open your control center as well as your notification bar. If you will try to take a screenshot by using your three fingers, then you won't be able to do that. But there's a different gesture to click a screenshot. Use your palm and then swipe to the left like this. Then it will click the screenshot. This phone comes with circle to search feature as well. You can use it while using your social media application like Instagram, YouTube, etc. If you want to search anything that you are seeing on your display, simply tap and hold in the middle bottom like this. Then it will enable your circle to search. Then circle the object you want to search, then it will directly search it on the Google for you. There is another way to use this circle to search feature. For example, if you are having something in front of you and you want to search on the Google, then open your camera application, point it towards it and then again enable your circle to search. Then circle the object you want to search, then it will search it on the Google for you. You can change the UI color of the smartphone. To do that, open your settings, select wallpaper and style and then select color palette. Firstly, enable this. Then it will show you the color palettes. You can also select from any of these basic color, select your favorite color and then click on apply. Wait for a few seconds. Then it will change the UI color of your smartphone. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select notifications. From here select advanced settings and then select notification history. It will save all the notification that will come into your smartphone and you can easily read any deleted messages from here as well. This phone comes with really cool looking notification styles. If you want to customize or enable it, then open your settings, select notifications and then select notification pop-up style. From here select edge lighting style. Here you have all different styles. You can select your favorite one. You can change the color of that specific notification style. You can also increase or decrease the transparency and duration. After this, simply click on done. Now if any notification will come, then it will show that specific style on your screen. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, select advanced features, select side button and then select long press. From here select power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then open your control panel and there on the top you will see an icon of power. Tap on this, then it will open your power menu. In the same side button settings, you will see an option called double press. It is enabled and set it for camera. So if you will double press your power button, then it will directly open your camera application. If you want to customize this, then tap on this. Here you can select any of these tools. You can also select any of your favorite or most usable application. Tap on apps, then it will show you all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select your favorite application. Now whenever you will double press your power button, then it will directly launch that specific application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are especially for you. Open your settings, select display. The first one is dark. If you will enable this, then it will change the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort shield. If you enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. In the same display settings, you will see option called font size and style. Tap on this. From here, you can increase or decrease the size of the font. You can also enable bold font. So if you are giving this font to any elderly person, then you can definitely use this feature. You can use all the application in pop-up view and split view, but you have to enable the next settings. Open your settings, scroll down, and then select advanced feature. Firstly, select labs and then enable this. Come back, select multi-window and enable all these three. Now if you want to open any application in floating window, then open that application and then swipe down from the corner like this. It will open it in floating window. You can drag and drop it anywhere like this. You can also minimize it just like your desktop and your laptop, and whenever you need that application, simply tap on this. Now if you want to open any application in split view, then open that application and then swipe up from the middle bottom with your two fingers like this. If you're using camera application and you want to switch from back camera to the front camera, then you can simply swipe like this and it will enable your front camera, and if you will swipe again, then it will again switch from front camera to back camera. If you're using 3-button navigation and if you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, select display, scroll down and then select navigation bar. To change the order of these 3 buttons, select more option. From here you can change the order. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select swipe gestures. Now you can go back like this. Open your recent applications like this and jump to your home screen like this. If you read ebooks and articles a lot, then you can definitely use this feature. In the same display settings, you will see option screen timeout. Tap on this and you can enable this keep screen on while viewing. So it will keep the screen on while you are looking at it. You don't have to press your power button or keep on tapping on the display to keep your display on. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then open your settings, select battery and then enable this battery protection. It will learn your charging pattern and then adjust the charging speed according to that. So with that you can increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. If you want that blinking flashlight effect for incoming calls and notifications, then open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility, select advanced settings and then select flash notification, then enable these two. Now if someone will call you or any notification will come from any app, then your flashlight will blink. To lock your smartphone, you don't have to press your power button. You can simply double tap on the blank area on your home screen, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you want to wake your display, then you can simply double tap on your locked screen. You can make a clone of Messenger application. Open your settings, select advanced feature and then select dual messenger. It will show you all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Simply enable it, then it will make the clone of that application. If you use your phone with a single hand a lot, then in the same advanced feature you will see option one-handed mode. Enable this. Now to use it, simply tap and hold in the middle bottom and then swipe down. It will enable the one-handed mode and you can easily use your phone with a single hand. To exit, tap on empty area. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.